And this is the crispiest chicken I've ever made. Pair it with the fluffiest buttermilk pancakes, and I'm gonna show you how to make both in less than 5 minutes. Let's go! Start by cutting the chickens in even pieces. Mix all the ingredients for the marinade. For our pancakes, we will separate the egg yolks from the egg whites so we can achieve a fluffier consistency. The secret to crispy chicken, a buttermilk brine and double coated. For fluffy pancakes, don't overmix that batter. Let me show you how we do it. Start by brining your chicken in buttermilk with paprika, garlic powder, and a kick of cayenne. This tenderizes the meat and adds flavor. Set up your coating stations, season flour, egg wash, and the final coat. And then, let's repeat it again. This double coat is the secret to that extra crunch. Coat each piece thoroughly. Don't rush this. Every spot needs coverage for that perfect golden crust. Let them rest for a few minutes so that coating sticks to it. Heat your oil at 350 degrees. This temperature is crucial. Too low and you get soggy chicken. Too high and it burns before cooking through. Fry for 6 to 7 minutes per side. You'll know it's ready when it dips golden brown and the internal temperature hits 165. Let it rest on a wire rack. This keeps the bottom crispy. Never use paper towel. They trap steam and make it soggy. Look at that golden perfection. Now while that rests, let's make the fluffiest pancakes. Mix together your dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt. This aerates the flour for fluffier pancakes. Add eggs, buttermilk, and melted butter. Mix until just combine. Lumps are okay. Overmixing makes tough pancakes. We will add the egg whites at the end, and we're gonna cut and fold without overdoing it. Okay, so we're gonna set up our stove, medium high. And guys, we're making pancakes. So we're gonna need butter to make this great. Butter your pan. When the butter stops foaming, you're ready to pour. But I would like to make a cheese ring before adding our pancake batter. Pour a 3/4 cup of butter. When you see bubbles forming and edges looking set, that's your flip signal. One smooth motion. Here it is, one with cheese. Look at that golden finish, and one without it. Also looks beautiful. Stack them high. Add a pat of butter on top, and the heat from the pancakes will melt it perfectly. And the best part, with the pancakes and chickens ready, time for the glaze. We'll start with maple syrup. I'm gonna do half tablespoon of Frank red hot sauce. Now we're gonna whisk it together, and voila. Hey, welcome back. Now we're done. We have our pancakes ready, and then our chicken is also ready over here. We're gonna add on top of the pancake a little bit of this compound butter that we made earlier in the week. And then for that, you can find the link up here. Now we bring it all together. Crispy fried chicken meets fluffy buttermilk pancakes. The ultimate brunch combo. Look at that crispy coating, those fluffy layers. This is what brunch dreams are made of. But here's the real magic. Chicken and pancakes together with syrup. Sweet, salty, crispy. It's great. Delicious. It just works. So which one are you making first? The crispy chicken or the fluffy pancakes? Please drop a chicken or a pancake in my comments. And if you want to see more recipes every week, please hit that subscribe and like. See you in the next one.